how to turn blog posts into videos using Visla AI. First, open your web browser and go to visla.us. Then, sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Visla dashboard, click Create Video. Next, describe the video you want to create page. Click the link option below the prompt box. Now, paste the URL of your blog post or online article. If your blog isn't published online, click Text and paste the blog content directly into the editor instead. After adding your blog, click the Next button. Visla AI will analyze your content and automatically generate a storyboard with scenes, captions, stock footage, and background music. Review each scene and make any changes you want. You can edit the text, replace video clips, upload your own media, or change the background music. Once you're happy with the video, click Export to save it to your computer. That's it! You've successfully turned a blog post into a video using Visla AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, video creation tips, and easy tech guides.